anytime there's any type of casualty or medical situation where someone is not mobile, it poses a number of different problems. One of the largest problems is the fact that if you are in any kind of tactical, violent engagement, you're taking fire. The reality is, movement is life. You've got to continue moving. If you can't continue moving, you're going to start taking more casualties. And then once your unit's not able to move, and we work in small units, once your unit's not able to move, you become combat ineffective, and that's how you get lost out there.
How's my head? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right.
You feel it? Yeah. Okay.
All right, good.
Now, in that 2-man, when you guys are both like this, you're basically breathing each other's.
Good. All right, guys, I'm coming in.
All right, guys, throw him into the pub crawl.
He's up there.
All right, so both of you, yep, arms around the neck. Reach back, get that belt, both of you. All right, you guys coordinate it, get him up when you can.
1, 2, 3.
Casually just stay limp. All right, taking 2 steps forward. All right, stop right there, stop right there. All right, here we go. All right, transition. You guys aren't ready. Oh, transition. Get inside. How are we doing? Let's go. One more time.